Look carefully. It's a kind of a frog. Doesn't move at all. I hope they're still alive. Look at this. But he doesn't move at all. Uh, but maybe I should sprinkle them by the water. It is make them more wet.